Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Climax Tech Gallery. We are uploading tech-related gadgets frequently. In this video you will find Cole's a 232-pint commercial dehumidifier, large industrial dehumidifier with hose for basements, warehouse and job sites cleanup, flood, water damage restoration, 6 years warranty. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details: this large capacity dehumidifier can remove up to 232 pints, 29 gallons, of moisture per day, 110 PPD AHAM, making it ideal for urgent water damage restoration, rapid structural drying, and other tasks requiring rapid drying. This high-efficiency dehumidifier removes moisture quickly from large spaces up to 8,000 square feet, such as basements, warehouses, garages, shops, and numerous other commercial and industrial establishments. Thanks to its high airflow rate of 353 CFM. For easy humidity control, this commercial dehumidifier has an automatic humidistat, auto defrost, automatic restart after power outages, and continuous drainage with a 6.56-foot drain hose included. This industrial-sized dehumidifier is simple and risk-free to transport from job to job and even from downstairs to upstairs thanks to its sturdy bar handle and large semi-pneumatic wheels. The anti-collision and anti-corrosion metal outer casing of this ETL-listed dehumidifier. Technical details: brand Cole's ALORAIR 8000 square feet, color white and black, special feature manual, capacity 232 pints, product dimensions 21.7 x 23.4 inches wide by 31.5 inches high, recommended uses for product indoor use included, components 5.65 feet, drain hose included, temperature and humidity sensor, casters and handle, item weight 105.82 pounds, material metal.